If you want a crowd pleaser, this is it. It's so good, so good. Right, brothers and sisters, welcome back. Nice to see you. I know it's been a while. If you want to know why, then I did an update video last week. If you're just here for the food, I've got you covered. This is a criminally easy roast Chinese chicken. It is so full of flavour. It's just, you've got to do it. Make sure you get a healthy bird. I only ever get organic chickens, if I'm honest. You want that high welfare. That's just for the planet, your body, the whole shebang. You're gonna flipping love this. What you get is just off the chart, deep, fat flavour. We season it up. I do a little garnish to go with it. We serve it up with rice. Bish bosh bash. You are away. Motherfucker. Listen, just do one. In a Japanese sword, you brother. Come on. I don't want to do this, but... Sorry, bro. It's on the table, yeah? Let's get the chicken done.
Right, you need a teaspoon of Chinese 5-spice, a good glug of dark soy, the same in honey, and about a tablespoon of fish sauce. Incorporate and brush, or lacquer as it's known, onto the chicken.
Okay, so that's my second coating of the soy, honey, fish sauce and 5-spice. This is the most important step to get the best results with this roast, is that's now got to be left overnight in the fridge uncovered. And what that does is that it's going to dry it out, which means the flavors intensify and they permeate into the meat, and it makes all the difference. So don't skimp on this one, don't cut it out, make sure you leave it overnight uncovered. Just drop it in. Okay, that's the chicken in the fridge overnight, so let's get the garnish done.
Finely chop a head of garlic. Then the same amount in shallots, Asian if you can get them. And then a load of dried chilies. Finally, drop 50 grams of sesame seeds on your board. Deep fry the garlic until it's beautiful and golden. Then strain and set aside, reusing the oil to fry the shallots. Now repeat the process with the shallots until they're golden and crunchy. Strain, set aside and drop both on some kitchen roll. Next up, in a dry pan, toast the sesame seeds and the dried chilies for a couple of minutes. Add the shallots and garlic, mix and boom, garnish done.
Okay, that little beauty is in the oven for an hour at 170. Before we crack on and do the garnish, here's a little message from Mr. Cheese and some of his friends. I'm thinking of downloading private internet access to encrypt my internet traffic and protect my online identity. But before I do, I thought I'd better check it out with some of my mates who have already downloaded it. So why do you like private internet access? Private internet access, you see, is the leading no-login VPN service, founded back in 2010 with no traffic or request logs. They have access to over 3,300 servers in 48 countries, and they've got award-winning VPN software. It's a no-brainer. Bah! Well, you see, boyo, I can use public Wi-Fi without worrying about security. Lets me use internet without being tracked by advertisers. Why do you like private internet access? Well, I use it to watch content that's blocked in my country, like Hulu and Netflix. Yeah, I gotta say I like PIA. Like they're proud sponsors of Fight for the Future, Open Rights Groups, Internet Society, Access Now and Software Freedom Conservancy. Sounds good, but I'm not sure I can afford this along with my weekly shop. What do you think, wise old saving jar? Well, my boy, PIA are offering this at unbeatable prices. They've got the 30 days money back guarantee, and they're offering a discount to John Quilter followers. Just click the link below, my boy. You know, wise old saving jar, when you explain it like that, I think you're right. Open the jar. Oh, no, I didn't see that one coming. Right, people, the moment of truth. The chicken is ready. Just look at that beauty. That is just like a heavyweight kick-ass. I'm gonna take you down, motherfucker. So look at that. Like, doesn't that look extra tasty? Doesn't it look like it's got more flavour in it? Like, honestly, that is a heavyweight champion of the world Chinese roast chicken. So now I'm just gonna cut the sides of the thighs and then put the garnish all over it. And then, my brothers and sisters, sieve it up with some rice and we're off to the races. This looks so good. Okay, let's get stuck in. Oh my, Like, the chicken is so moist. You can't beat a roast chicken, can you? And with this Chinese influence, it just really makes it friggin' delicious. And as that flavour of the natural juices of the chicken bleed out, it mixes in with the rice, and then you've got the super crunchy, slightly fiery garnish of the seeds and the shallots and the garlic and the chili, and that just makes it like a firecracker in your gob. But then also the garnish in with the rice, oh mate, if you don't leave it overnight, then it doesn't take on that much flavour, so you've got to do that. I gotta tell you, like, I can just see it's mixing in with the rice, and then you've got all the crunchiness. Then you've got this like bark of chicken skin that's gnarly from the honey and the soy. That chicken's great for a couple of days in the fridge. It's the gift that just keeps on giving. Do you know what I mean? Like, this is a dish that I wanted to start back because I just think it's got so much to give. That's got everything I'm looking for. Right, brothers and sisters, Chinese roast chicken done. Please let me know what you thought of this. Is this something that you'll make? Let me know in the comment box. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Right, brothers and sisters, I'm done. I'm back. Obviously.